How to backup and restore your WhatsApp messages on your Android device. Open the WhatsApp app and click on the three dots on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on settings and you can see something like chats right on the list. Go ahead and tap on chats, scroll all the way down and you can see something like chat backup. Go ahead and tap on this and you can select your Google account which you want to select for the backup. Go ahead and tap on a backup and the data will be backed up. You can see the last backup option over here as well. So let's suppose you had uninstalled this app WhatsApp. So you have uninstalled this app and after you have uninstalled it, you can just go ahead and try opening it once again. And while you try to open it, you can see the option of restore. As soon as you enter your Gmail and your password, you can easily restore the WhatsApp messages as you had previously backed up your data. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.